going to harvest my apples. It's the first week of October and it's now time to harvest apples, and I'm here in my backyard again. I have only one apple tree, but it has four different varieties. One is Gala, there's Macintosh and Golden Delicious. The other one I don't know because I lost the tags when I planted this. But anyway, I will show you how much will I be able to harvest. It's not very great because there's a lot of rain lately in Toronto, and some of my apples are rotten, some are on the ground, but I can pick a few, so I'll show you. Apples, look at them, they're so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some of them I covered with plastic, thinking that it would be good to protect them from the insects. Well, somehow it did. It protected from the insects, but still I have a lot of falling on the ground. Here, I'll show you. These are just some of them. Some of them are already thrown away, but I still have some fruits to pick. So come guys, and let's pick our apples. I like the color of this one. So when you pick apple, you just twist it like that. Twist, 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 and then pick, and you get a nice apple. Here's another one, a big one. This would be very juicy and delicious. Twist, 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 and then pick. Oh, okay. I twisted so much. These are all the apples that I was able to pick from my apple tree. I have 2 baskets. Not bad. There's some more on the tree that are not yet so very ripe, like the green ones. The green ones are still not very ripe, so I will leave it there maybe for one more week. But in total, I have a good harvest this year. Actually, maybe I could do more. I could make more. I just need to pay more attention and make sure that the insects are not damaging my fruits, my apples. So, okay. I will not end my video without eating one of my fruits. I'm gonna eat this one, just a small one. Look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. It's just a small, but maybe it would be yummy. Let me just clean it with some paper towel, and then bite. Sweet, fresh, and right from the tree. So good. When you buy in the store, you will see that the skin is shiny, but look at this one. The skin is not shiny because it has no coating of wax or whatever that is. Fresh and healthy. Yummy. The sweetness is just right. So juicy. Thanks to my apple tree. Thanks to the soil. Thanks to the air. To the sunlight. Thanks to nature. Because I can still eat fresh apple. Thank you very much for watching.